Hi my lovelies, welcome back to AhhhSoNeo. How are you? I am so excited because finally, and don't kill me if I'm butchering this name, but I got some of my Fendace pieces. Yes, your girl managed to snag some Fendi by Versace pieces, and I am praying to God that there's actually more coming. Well, one more. This is what I have so far. Let's take a look, shall we? Of course, right after I did that, everything like fell over the box. I'm loving the presentation of this whole collection. It's gorgeous. Hey guys, hello, how are you? My name is AhhhSoNeo, and welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. You guys are amazing. If it's your first time here, boy, I hope you are in for a treat. Before we get into it, and I won't ramble as much as I usually do, I just wanted to say also, please subscribe, please hit the like button. I've gotten my mojo back from making videos, so there'll be a lot more content coming. So stick around to see what you like, share this video. I did make a short on some of these boxes, and then I was really desperately trying to wait on the fourth box, but it has not come. So I can't wait anymore. I've only like opened and actually seen what's inside one of these boxes, and the other two I've just kind of like been waiting, but I can't wait any longer. So yeah, I'm sure you guys know Fendi and Versace did a collab. There's Fendi by Versace and then there's Versace by Fendi. I went on both websites and was like trying to see what I could find, but I really like the Fendi by Versace pieces more, and so that's what I went for. And so let's get into it. The packaging has been just absolutely beautiful, and so looks. And I always give myself a gift message in everything that I get. So I'll just share what everything looks like. I think this is the, oh, this is just like the, oh, this is just like some little stickers. That seems odd. Wow. Okay. Okay, I'm not sure. Maybe I did. Oh, maybe I did gift wrapping or something. Am I supposed to be wrapping it up for myself? I don't know. This card was also in here. I'm gonna assume this is the card I sent to myself, so don't worry about it. I always write like little encouraging messages and things like that for myself to keep me going. So this is the first item that I picked up. This is the only one I've opened so far. So this is actually, isn't the presentation amazing? I think it's amazing. They really knocked this out of the ballpark, out of the ballpark. So okay, first up, I managed to get my hands on the little cosmetic pouch. It is a beautiful print. It is this Fendi monogram, but it's done in the pink, and then the Versace gold print all over. I gotta figure out, yeah, it has little loops here, so I'm sure I could put a little strap on it and maybe use it as a little purse or something like that. But yeah, this is what this looks like. And the inside, just take out this, oops. Yeah, so this is the Beauty Trapezio Small Nylon something or the other. And then it has that, and then the information on the back. I don't know if you guys can see that. The inside is the Zuko print. I think it's called Zuko print, and just the traditional Fendi print. It does say Fendace by made in Italy. Okay. So far, so good. Okay, now the following two are like a real unboxing. I have not opened them. I don't know what I have not opened them. I don't know what I'm gonna find. So I did do this one. If you saw the short that I posted, I did open this box, and you can see again, same beautiful wrapping, more stickers, and I really think it's because I did do it to myself as with the gift packaging. Oh, this is so cool. This one came with a bag. Okay, cool. This one came with a gift bag. My gift, my message to myself. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. This one came with a gift bag. Oh yeah, that's really exciting. Doesn't that look good? Oh yeah. Guys, I like to these little things like this where I put my old packaging inside a frame like this. So I've been slowly like building and making more and more of those because I do want to put them on like an Etsy eventually. So and the good thing about getting packaging like this is you can get two. So I'll make one for myself and then make one that I'll put on the store eventually. Okay, this one is, you know, it's great that it's in the packaging, but it fell out of the box. And if you know me, you know I was picking this up. No questions asked. You know this one was coming. Come on. It's in a cute, oh, I should say it was in a cute little box because it did fall out of the box. Again, presentation. Oh my gosh. Presentation just out of the ballpark on this. You ready? Come on now. Come on now. You knew I was getting this. I don't call myself the Bando Queen for no joke. And I know I'm the only person who calls myself that. But that is because I am addicted to bandos, and I will put my oh god, usually I get Louis Vuitton, so I will put like in the description box, I'll put my Louis Vuitton collection. You guys can see why I call myself the Bando Queen, because I love them. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I love Versace clothes. I love the style. I think it's so absolutely like over the top, and just it's so brash and so loud and so look at me. And that, you know, I'm a soccer mom, so that's not typically how I would dress, except at night. At night, yeah, you'd wear some of that stuff. But you know, the price point is ridiculous, and I will spend an arm and a leg on a handbag, honey, any day. But on clothes, not so much. Not something especially like that you wear like once or twice, and then, you know, Instagram, you can't ever wear it again. I'm rambling. Let's move on. I love that. Definitely happy. Okay. Last box. Oh, mama. Oh, mama. It's a big one. It's a big one. More stickers. I'm loving the stickers. All right, let's see if I can get this one out without breaking things. Ah! I just tore the box. I just did the one thing I was trying not to do. Bloody hell. Damn, I tore the box. Look at that. Right there. I didn't get it for the box though. I don't know why it came in such a ginormous box though. Oh, it's gonna look good. Oh my gosh, the way that box is so big, you would have thought it was gonna be something ginormous, which I'm still waiting for. But it's a little smaller. Again, cool dust bag. I mean, packaging is on point, on point. Let's see if this is as hot as I think it's gonna be. Yes. 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 See, this is the reaction I wanted for myself with the Fendigraphy bag. See? See? Ooh, yes. Oh my God. If I'm loving this like I'm loving this, then the bag that's coming, oof. Let me get that bag, because you know, until I see bag boxes in the UPS truck. Okay. Oh my God, I love this. I love this. I thought the price was a bit ridiculous, but I see now why it is, because you guys don't know, but I'm bad at measurements. I just never understood inches, and I actually thought this was going to be the same size as this. Okay. And I was thinking, actually no, I'm lying. Yeah, like that, like the size of the never full pouch. I could put a whole iPad in here. I need to find my iPad so I can put it in here. Yes, 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 yes. Little Fendace there, and it's just black on the inside. I was hoping for the Zuka print on the inside. And your girl can just rock it like that, baby. Yes, yes, yes. Details, details, details. I hope it focuses. Ignore my fingernails. Why is there a shadow on the camera? Why? Why is there a shadow? Oh. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Guys. Yes. Yes. Okay. I was really hoping to be able to pick this up in this print, but I just couldn't find it. And I'm surprisingly okay with that, because I love this. I love this. I love this. Yes. Okay. Yeah, literally. This is how I thought I was gonna react to the Fendigraphy. I thought I was gonna whip that thing out of the bag and be like, woo! No, I haven't been, but that's okay. This has totally made up for it. So, oh, gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Okay, so gonna wait on bated breath. Hope I'll get confirmation for the next box, because I would love to show you guys a part 2. So wish me luck, wish me luck, wish me luck. And yeah, you guys don't know how much I needed something this good to happen to me today, to like just fall in love with something, because it's been a very bad day. Actually, it's been a terrible day. But I'm gonna choose joy. I'm gonna choose happiness. I'm gonna make that decision. I'm gonna unbox goodies. And I have to be in the right frame of mind, because I got a daughter watching me all the time. And I want her to know that no matter what, no matter how bad our days are, we get to choose how we feel. Not that we cannot choose to feel bad, because believe me, it's been a bad and sad day. Thanks guys for watching. Choose happiness.